welcome to another edition of Comic Read Through. Today we are going for Bird and Throttle number 2. It's How Rad Comics by Josh Howard. And hopefully you know where we left off. If not, go find Bird and Throttle part 1 and part 2. So here we are. Issue 2, Part 1. Then. Mitch! Jen. Oh my God! How dare you do this to me? You should see the other guys. This isn't funny. Don't freak out. What is it? We don't know. Possibly alien technology of some kind. It saved my life. Can you take it out? I think this is the only thing keeping me alive. I prayed for you. Every time you're gone up there, I prayed that something like this wouldn't happen. And look, your prayers saved me. Listen, I know I put my career. I know my career has put a lot of stress on you. I realize I may have put my ambitions above your needs. I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm ready to walk away. What do you mean? I nearly lost it all. I don't want to put you through that again. You'll leave Starlink? What will you do? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I just want to focus on us right now. This will figure this out. Just please don't give up on me. It has a hum. Reminds me of my dad's old 58 T-Bird. No matter how bad things got between him and Mom, just laying in the back seat of that car would calm me down and put me to sleep. It felt safe. Tests. More tests. And more tests. Stronger. Invincible. Okay, and you want me to... What? Wow! Flight! Sorry for, I know there's no dialogue here and I'm making it up. Hope Josh doesn't mind. I don't think so. You've got to be kidding. No way on freaking Earth. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now, about time you woke up. How's your head? Why am I here? It was either this or arrest you for carrying an unlicensed firearm. But I'd recommend you go to the hospital and get checked out. Emily already took care of it. Took her to breakfast, dropped her off at school. It all went fine. Told her You got called to a job. Man, she's grown. I don't remember the last time I saw her. How was her mood? If you're asking if she's still upset about the comic, yes. But she didn't really want to talk about it. Now, you want to tell me about what the hell this is about? I need to protect myself. Bull. The Mitch I know wouldn't have broken a sweat taking down those guys. The Mitch you knew had powers. Please, you're 6'6", 250 pounds of pure muscle. You know what I think? I think you let them beat you. It's been a while since we've seen each other, but what the hell? Let's just skip the pleasantries and get right down to the psychoanalysis. Tell me, Amy, why would I let myself get beat up? Because you hate yourself. You desperately want to be a hero again, but you still can't forgive yourself for what happened. So you put yourself in danger each time, hoping it'll be enough to absolve you of your sins. Long ago, how long are you going to carry this? It was an accident. You were exonerated. That doesn't change what happened. You may want to ignore the past, but I can't, I won't. You're right, Mitch. That's a chapter of my life I'd rather forget. You should know it's time to move on. I've got to get to work. Stay here as long as you need. But if I catch you with this again, I will haul your ass to jail. Hmm. Do, do, do. I'm not going to read the post. Well, toxic misogynist. Sis, bleep. That's so awful. Do you need to talk to someone? If you don't feel safe, we can get you help. I'm fine. It's just a couple of idiots. We met at home. Is it true your dad hates women? Was he ever has he ever hit you? What? It's okay. You don't have to say anything. Here, just take this. Some resources for you if you need to reach out to someone. Anti-hero advocates for victims of superhero abuse. Jeez, people and their judgmentalism. Mind if I sit here? So concern so con, concern troll someone else. I just want to eat my lunch. Sorry. Just to get it out of the way, I don't know what your dad did or didn't do, and I don't care. That's got nothing to do with me, and it's got nothing to do with you. These bitches giving you a hard time don't know effing either. What the hell are you looking at? Shame on the shamers. They only have as much power as you give them. I'm Cat. Well, Cat made an appearance. Emily. Garage. Smash! Remembering. Then, and with that, I'm proud to announce Starlink's first ever sponsored super agent, T-Bird. Congrats, Mitch. Thanks, Ed. Applause. Yeah. Thank you. Being here. When I was a kid, I wanted nothing more than to be a superhero. Tiger Lord, Justice Superior. I just wanted to be like them. But then you grow up and society tells you, get a real job. So I did, and the next best thing, I became an astronaut. Ironically, it was just that decision which ultimately led to me realizing my childhood dream. Sorry, I had to wreck your $10 million spaceship craft to make it happen. Enjoy your evening, everyone. Congrats, Mitch. Never thought I'd be best friends with a bona fide superhero. Thanks, Jack. You know, every superhero needs a good sidekick. Here we are. No thanks. I'm perfectly happy staying in the shadows. Besides, don't all superheroes have some sort of tragic backstory? Hopefully, I've already got all that behind me. Anyways, I wouldn't be here without you. I owe you, buddy. Oh, please. I'm serious. Up there, you fought for me, got me home, and while I was holed up at Starlink, setting, getting poked and prodded for weeks, you were there for Jen. You're a good friend. Speaking of which, where is my wife? Jen, what's going on, babe? I'm pregnant. What? I'm afraid I don't want to mess things up for us. I mean, this whole new venture. Are you kidding? That is great news. I'm going to be a dad. I feel like the luckiest guy in the world. And I think, should we? Yeah, that's where we'll. I don't know. It's only 13 minutes. We'll go a little bit longer. Now, can we talk? I'd rather not. You deserve to know the truth. And what is truth? What truth is that? Because I don't know what to believe anymore. You told me Mom died in an accident. Listen. Mom, listen, I loved your mom more than anything. After the engine becoming T-Bird, I got caught up in all of it. I left a dangerous job for a more dangerous one. I wasn't there for her like I should have been. But I need you to know that I never would have done anything to intentionally hurt her. because she died because of you. You killed her. No, the things in the comic, that's not how it happened. The situation between your mom and I got complicated. I was angry. Things got out of hand. I blamed myself, and I lived with that pain for over 10 years. There's not a day that goes by, there's not a day that goes by that I don't wish I could go back and make different choices. But I didn't. I could never. Can I please be alone? I love you, Emily. I'm sorry. Thinking. Okay, and this is where we're going to leave it for now. Thank you for tuning into part one of T-Bird chapter issue 2, and hopefully we will be back next week for part 2, going through this. And I guess that is where I will hit the end button. Oh, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, share, and comment. So bye for now. God bless. Have a great and wonderful day.